Hi folks, we've been busy researching EQ pedals to help you figure out what you need to make your best audio and video content and stay on budget. Links to all the products in the review are in the description box below, where you'll find current pricing for your region wherever possible. The video has timestamps, so you can jump to the product that interests you the most. Now before I move on, we'd love to hear what EQ pedal you're using right now, what you think of it. Let us know in the comments. Okay, let's get into it. Here are the top 5 best EQ pedals. The 5th product on our list is the Caline 10-band EQ. The Caline 10-band EQ gives you a wide range of tonal control over the sound of your instrument. It boasts a massive number of channels from 31.25 Hz all the way up to 16 kHz. This gives you a lot of options to shape your tone or control your levels. It features a true bypass to ensure that your signal stays clean and you don't lose your instrument's tone. Aside from the 10 channels, you also get a gain channel. You can keep track of where you've set each slider with the individual LED indicators. The Caline pedal is durable and built for gigs. It has an aluminium alloy case that keeps your pedal in tip-top shape. They've also included 4 caps for extra protection. This EQ pedal is also great for bass guitar because of the inclusion of the 31 Hz band. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable pedal with a wide channel range, the Caline 10-band EQ is a great buy. The 4th product on our list is the MXR 108S. The MXR 108S is a 10-band EQ pedal that features noise reduction circuitry. This is helpful when you have a setup with a longer chain and more pedals. It boasts an extra output that lets you connect it to 2 amps or route it in 2 effect chains. This gives you the option of having more control over your sound. It has true bypass switching, so you can rest assured that your tone will stay the same. The sliders have bright LED indicators that you can see even in broad daylight. This is a valuable tool to keep track of your levels even from afar. Build quality stays true to the MXR brand. It has a silver chassis that looks high quality and feels solid. 18-volt adapter powers the pedal. In the centre there are 8 sliders with frequencies ranging from 31.25 Hz to 16 kHz. There are also volume and gain sliders which let you adjust the overall intensity of the effect. On the bottom there is a foot switch that lets you engage the equaliser and get the show on the road. The MXR 108S is an excellent buy for gigging musicians looking for versatility. The 3rd product on our list is the Boss GE7. The Boss GE7 is a robust pedal at an attractive price point. You'll find the equaliser section on the top with 7 sliders. There's also a master level slider you can use to control the effect. The pedal allows you to boost or cut frequencies with a range from -15 dB to 15 dB. The sliders are precise, so you'll have an easy time getting your desired levels. The GE7 works flawlessly when you need to shape the tone of your instrument. You can also hook it up to a signal chain that leads to a tube amp. This lets you create some interesting effects using only the 7 bands on the EQ pedal. It has a beautiful design with a solid body and weighs under 1 pound or 430 grams. The Boss GE7's functionality and durable build make it a solid addition to any pedal board. If you're looking for a Boss quality equaliser pedal, this one comes highly recommended. The 2nd product on our list is the Source Audio EQ2. Source Audio's EQ2 is a programmable EQ pedal that screams functionality. This device features 10 fully adjustable frequency bands. You get a great deal of coverage from 31 Hz to 16 kHz. Each of them can boost or cut your frequencies by as much as 18 dB. You can also use 2 different frequency curves at the same time, which creates an exciting effect. The parametric EQ mode lets you have more control over your sound. Aside from this, the EQ2 boasts more customization with 4 stereo or 8 onboard mono presets. Using the MIDI input, you can choose from an additional 128 presets and get 12 dB of boost. When you use Source Audio's Neuro editing app, you get parameter control, filtering effects, and many EQ shaping options. But that's not all. This EQ pedal features a noise gate and a dynamic limiter. The sound quality on this device is top-notch. Navigating the controls is intuitive. The encoder knob sits in the middle and lets you choose and adjust the frequency bands. The Source Audio EQ2 is an equaliser pedal that's perfect for music production. The onboard and MIDI accessible settings give you plenty of space to customise your sound. First product on our list is the Earthquaker Devices Tone Job. The Earthquaker Devices Tone Job is a compact boost and EQ pedal. It has a design that works great on your pedal board. You can power it with a 9 or 18 volt battery, whichever you have strapped on your other pedals. You'll find 4 knobs on the front of the pedal. The unique thing about the Tone Job is that each of the 3-band EQ knobs can boost or cut your frequencies by up to 20 decibels. These knobs then give you a lot of power for EQ. The treble control works with higher frequencies and can give you a shimmering quality. The bass and mid knobs work with lower and middle frequencies to help you cut unwanted spikes. The volume knob can multiply whatever settings you have by up to 5 times. This means that you get a ton of boost that can drive any tube amp into overdrive. The build is durable and has a beautiful blue design. The Earthquaker Devices Tone Job EQ is a multi-purpose pedal with an excellent sound quality. It's a perfect investment for people looking for a powerful EQ pedal with a user-friendly interface. And there you have it, folks, the 5 EQ pedals that got us excited this year. If this video helped you in any way, let us know by giving it a like, and if you're new here, hitting the subscribe button. If you would like to see some more reviews from our team here at Gear Music Tech, here are a couple that we think you'll enjoy. We look forward to seeing you back here on Gear Music Tech soon. Bye for now.